Welcome back to Destination Jamaica. It's another sunny day. I know you're looking at the box and wonder why Cream was sponsor we wish that would be great. But actually we decided to do something a bit different this beautiful Sunday, which is to make something. No, yeah, picnic. I used to make toys. This is one of the things that we decided to make, a juice box chalk. So I have some juice box, deliberately buy some juice and some chocolate milk and some, chubby, so that we could make this project. And we're gonna walk you through the steps, hopefully. And I did, recruit some older people, but they don't remember. So we're going it, alright? To start, you need box, of course. You need cork cover. You need bamboo or nail. Mommy said that the bamboo is better. They used to use razor and cut up, so you can get a razor, but we have a scissors. That's what we're using to do the cutting. And you need tape. You can make it however you want to make it. Now this is the front of the truck, right? So if you see the box, we cut that part and then we're gonna push it in like this, right? And then you're going to put this over here and then this over here, and then you're gonna tape it up. So that's how you make the head of the truck. So currently we're just boring holes into the cover, the carpet, to make the wheels of the truck, as you can see, right? So just use the hammer, just take your time and do it, and then just get it into the hole right there, and that's your wheel. And we're gonna put the wheels on. For the body of the truck, you have more boxes, so we're going to show you how to get that done. In the meanwhile though, tell us, have you made this juice box truck yourself? How you do it? What the best design you ever have? Because we're thinking to go a bit further, such as to, design it different ways and so forth. Alright guys, so now we're putting on the wheels. Use nail, don't have any bamboo. And we're going to use elastic to kind of keep it, so that it can move and it don't drop out. So we're going to put the wheels on. Alright, so the wheels are on, as you can see, on each side. We're going to put it on the back of the truck because we apparently don't have enough carts to do a bigger truck or a longer truck. Alright, so this is Big Joe truck. Alright, the truck is complete. It's just a very small, simple truck, but you can take it go anywhere. You see it. North Coast, South Coast. Caribou juice.
What caribou juice and your big juice?
Going to the North Coast in curfew time. Look at my car go. Bye bye when you can make.